Hey guys, Chad Hester with Keller Williams Realty, Alabama's favorite realtor. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see all these videos. Today we are on the series 11 things to get your houses ready to sell. Um, Number 2 is decluttering your living spaces. Listen, less is definitely more when it comes to getting your house ready to show. Um, do a clean sweep of the counters, the windowsills, the tables, and all the other visible places where you have your stuff. Um, I sometimes refer to this stuff as junk. Don't get offended. Uh, I have junk in my house too, so um, don't get offended on that. So listen, buyers when they come to look at your house, they will not keep their hands off of things. So don't think they will. Don't think they'll come in and be respectful and walk through your house with their hands in their pockets because they're not going to. Um, so if you don't want it touched, just remove it. You can take some of that stuff, maybe have a yard sale, maybe put it in a storage unit or something like that. Um, you really don't want to lock it up in a bedroom and say this room's off limits. That's really not a good idea. People wonder about that and they think, well, where they got a big dragon in there or something, So um, declutter your house, make it look clean and open. Um, when there is a lot of junk in your house, people come in and it makes your house look smaller. So people don't want to make an offer on a house if they don't think they can get their stuff into. So there you have it. Declutter your living spaces. It's one of the most important things you can do when you get ready to sell your house. Chad Hester with Keller Williams Realty, Alabama's favorite realtor.